Hello, future restaurant owners. I'm here to guide you through one of the initial and vital steps in starting your restaurant business, the basics of restaurant name registration. But before we get started, please give this video a like. Press the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to make your restaurant as successful and profitable as can be. First off, you might be wondering why it's so important to officially register your restaurant's name. It's quite simple, actually. Registering your restaurant's name helps protect your brand, avoid potential legal conflicts, and solidify your presence in the market. Now, let's dive into the basics of restaurant name registration. All right, first things first, choosing a unique name. It's no secret that there are over 1 million restaurants in the United States. That's a lot, right? So, choosing a name that stands out and reflects your restaurant's theme, cuisine, or location is crucial. Doing a little research to make sure your chosen name isn't already taken can save you from any hassle down the line. You want your place to be one of a kind, don't you? Once you've got a few names in mind, the next step is to check the availability of those names. You'd be surprised to know that as of last year, there were about 860,000 small businesses in the restaurant industry. Yeah, you heard it right, it's a booming sector. So, to avoid getting lost in the crowd, make sure to do a name search in your state's business database. It's a pretty straightforward process, and it helps ensure that your chosen name hasn't been snagged by someone else already. Next up, let's chat about trademarking your name. This step is not mandatory, but it's a wise move to safeguard your brand on a national level. It basically means that no one else in the country can use the same name, giving your restaurant a clear identity. Remember, protecting your business is protecting your dream. Now, on to the main event, registering your name. It's a simple yet crucial step in making your restaurant dream a reality. This usually involves filing a doing business as or DBA form with your local government. It's a pretty easy process and won't take up much of your time. Once approved, you've got the legal rights to operate under your chosen name. How cool is that? To wrap things up, registering your restaurant name might seem like a small step, but it's a significant milestone in setting up your business. Just to give you a sense of the larger picture, the restaurant industry sales reached a whopping $899 billion in the US last year. You're about to join an industry that's vibrant, bustling, and ever-growing. So take this step seriously, give your restaurant a name it deserves, and embark on this exciting journey with confidence. For help with every single step in this video, all you gotta do is visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what's inspired you to open a restaurant? Leave your comment below and let us know your dreams for the future. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your restaurant to maximum profitability.